Let's get started on our multiplying fractions unit by trying to visualize what multiplying fractions looks like on a number line. Example 1 says, what number is 1/4 of 12? Well, I have a number line from 0 to 12, and I'm trying to find what number is 1/4 of that. Well, that means I'm saying I've taken 12 and I'm dividing it into 4 equal parts. Well, each equal part, we know, is going to be 3 units long. So that means I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Here's part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Each of these parts is 1/4. So there's a fourth, there's a fourth, there's a fourth, and there is 1/4. What number is 1/4? Well, here would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. What number is 1/4 would be right here, and it is 1, 2, 3. So what number is a fourth of 12? It's sitting at 3. Example 2, we're going to do the same thing. What number is 1/8 of 16? So I have 0 all the way through 16. I'm taking 16 and I'm dividing it into 8 equal pieces. Each piece is going to be 2 units long. And how would that look like? Well, here's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So here's part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there, each of these is an eighth. There's an eighth, an eighth, an eighth, and so on. Those little dots just mean so on. What number is 1 of these eighths? Well, that would put me right here, and that is at 2. So what number is 1/8 of 16? 2. Example 3, what number is 1/5 of 15? I bet you're getting on here. Let's see, I have 0 through 15. That means I'm taking 15 and I'm dividing it into 5 equal parts. That means each of those parts is going to be 3 units long. So what does that look like? Here's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 parts. And so this is 1/5, this is 1/5, this section is 1/5, and so on. What number is 1 of these fifths? Well, that would look right here, and that is 1, 2, 3. So what number is 1/5 of 15? That would be 3. So when you're doing this on a number line, you're taking your final number and you're dividing it basically by your denominator, and that's giving you how many parts are in each fifth or eighth or fourth.